is called Westside.
Westside. Oh.
Damn.
Damn. Smooth.
Doot, doot. Okay. Yeah. I'm on the phone, I'm like Moshi.
On the other line, it looks like
A Yoshi. Oh my god, that Yoshi dick is so good, but I gotta go to work. I don't.
What the fuck? That flow was perfect. It sounds just like
my auto tune put me in fucking chipmunk mode. Man. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it. It's cool. It's like you got remixed.
Yeah, like on the spot. I saw the Mario movie, they should have warned me that I would pop a little chubby in my warm seat. Mario's so damn hot and he's so damn thick. I wanna suck that little Italian dick. I love his mustache when it tickle my booty hole. Oh my god, I'm about to meet him in a glory hole. Riding Yoshi through the land. He fuck me like I'm a real man. He give me a hand and he keep it clamped. Oh my god, I got his eggs. Give me, whoops. I'm not saying that, never mind. Go ahead, baby.
What?
Nothing.
Yeah. Princess Toadstool. The ruler of the Mushroom Kingdom. I saw a toad in the forest every day, and I think, man, that shit looks really great. Really love that mushroom guy. Wanna stick something in his mushroom eye. I feel really happy to be here. Really happy to be in Mario Land with all my friends in Mario Land here. Gonna go down a pipe, gonna go down to Bowser's castle and get high with Bowser, my pal Bowser, getting high with Bowser in hell. When I go to hell, I hope Bowser's there.
That's fire.
I can't, bro, I keep doing the thing where I say something and I don't remember what I said, so I don't know what to say.
That's just freestyling, man. Fuck.
Fuck. Yeah. Yeah.
Damn Emporio. Yeah.
Break it down, Toad. Make that
Yeah.
shit grip. Drop down and do the splits on the stick. Princess Toadstool type shit. Yo. Mario dick. Luigi dick. Bowser dick.
Squat. Yeah.
Yeah. It's not gay if it's in the Mushroom Kingdom. It's in a different land, not where I'm from. They don't care about that stuff. Yo.
Yeah. Get Bowser off the screen cause you know I'ma fuck him. He's tough but I'm tougher, I'm a real ruffian. Oh my god, I'm riding Toad, big load. Is it gay if I fuck Toad on Rainbow Road? I don't give a motherfuckers, I give him a load. Get blue shell in my ass, let it go. Who cares, red shell, I'ma let it go. Speed boost through the wind and I don't slow. Mario Kart, Mario 64. Oh my god, I'm a little Mario whore. Love Peach, Daisy and Luigi. Come on baby, won't you come and squeeze me? I'm high off a mushroom, fuck y'all. Get my bitch on and play baseball. Mario that is, and basketball. Why don't they make Mario volleyball?
Squadala! We're off! Yeah.
Oh my god. Fuck you, bitch, I'm a Mario main. If I come at you, I come with the flame. I got a little plant, got Donkey Kong on my dong. Suck me hard, suck me good, bitch, suck me long. Cranky Kong, come in a little thong. Oh my god, me gooby bing bong. I'm down in the jungle, let it.
Funky Kong on my dick. Doing funky shit, yeah. Jungle type beat.